Hey, babe.
Yes?
Where are we going?
We are going to the granddaddy or the Sturgis of RV enthusiasts everywhere is where we're going.
2025 Tampa RV show.
And one thing that we haven't gotten a hold of that I want to get a hold of to look through is a Brinkley. You never know. It's interesting. It's going to be fun.
We are doing a meetup with Untethered and Open Roading. So looking forward to meeting those, both of those couples and others who just, you know, RVers, fellow RVers that we can come across down on the road.
All right, so we're here.
Here where?
At the Florida Sturgis of RV show. So on a Thursday.
This is Retired RV Life. Today's Wednesday.
Yep.
Not Thursday.
So crowds for Wednesday. Not bad.
Not bad at all. And I think we're gonna head inside first. So being on a weekend,
I'm just here to like really look at a couple of different ones that I'm interested in, like the Brinkleys.
yes.
And I also want to look at the Heartlands because we have a Heartland and we bought one back in 2022.
Yes.
And I
Wanna
want to
see
compare and see if like
The build quality.
build quality and craftsmanship has went up or not. So yeah.
What do you guys think? Better? Worse? Let's go see.
All right, here, hold. Going down.
I'm going down in the cockpit.
Sarge, I'm going down.
Definitely want to be nimble if you're going to go in and out that way.
Woo! All right, what do you got here? All right, first question. This new Grand Design, what is it called? A C or super? This truck C?
To see
Unit?
the Lineage.
Yeah. So is this the high output 6.7? I say that because every 6.7 I see is a non-high output. It's like nobody buys a high output. Is this a high output?
I don't know what the shade is. Yeah.
Yep.
Obviously, I can only imagine if it was a weekend, but it's of high interest, I believe.
Service, by the way.
We met down in Daytona a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
He invited me up. I didn't know he invited all these other people.
Oh, absolutely. Next door.
Oh, somebody gonna let you come down?
Yep,
Get a shot of the front of it.
I certainly will.
This is as tall as my truck with 8 inches of lift.
Here, let's test it out to yours.
Okay.
I am not clearing the mirror like I do with yours.
Nope.
So it's not quite, but it's pretty darn close.
So all those people that talk trash to me about my truck being too high, shut up. Look how tall these things are. Factory or from the Grand Design factory.
Yep.
Shut up.
Let's go find something else to nose around in.
Okay.
Since we've been staying down here in Florida, all of these signs, stickers on rigs and stuff, Greg has really been liking the signs. So what do you think? What's everybody's input on having your little sign?
The cute little sign that's like out in front of the RV that says dismissed.
We like the signs more than flags because they're just stationary regardless of the wind.
Get both.
Get both.
That's what I say.
So do we see if there's one we like? Will we end up getting one? Sign or no sign?
Yeah. I don't know. Do it all. Put everything on the sign.
Put everything on the sign, put all the signs out, all the flags, all the stickers.
Why not? If you're in there, might as well, right? It's like mechanic principle. If I'm in there, I might as well take care of it.
So Greg's always talking how I'm always getting stopped for my hair. Mm-hmm. When curly girls see each other and meet up, you get that little
They don't
hug.
do this in
We
front of
know.
me.
Curly girls got to stick together. Yes, ma'am.
So thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Enjoy. I love your hair.
Thank you so much. It's natural. Thank you very, very much.
Why, hello. In the crowds.
Very crowded. So we are in the, what would you call it, the vendor arena.
The vendor, yeah.
Just saw another curl comment. What is it with the curly hair? I do love my curls. Did not when I was much younger. So thank you all who stopped me. I didn't get everybody's names, but that is very nice and means a lot. Everybody loves a compliment, right? So we are just kind of wandering through the vendors.
I'm just guiding Renee so she don't bump into people. Oh, it's crowded here, by the way.
Truck campers, kind of enticing to us.
This is your big Alaska trip right here.
Yeah. But that is plenty of room. Nice big bed.
Oh, here you go. Oh, wait, this is nice for a truck camper right here.
Well, hang on, not bad for a bath at all.
Okay. Yeah, this is a little bit over truck campers I'm used to. Just these recliners right here. Yeah. Going back home for our travel trailer. See if home's better than what it was in 2022. Washer dryer connection.
How would that work? I know they're small units, but how deep are those to, if you're using
probably
that?
Wouldn't open all the way, it's my guess.
I guess so.
Everything's they give or take with these.
So we've got metal blinds back here. I'm not sure why the metal blinds in that garage window. Ours has the shades. I know why they do the metal blinds over the kitchen, although I really hate cleaning them.
Yeah.
So what do we have here? Any dishwasher prep or something? What is this?
Trash go under there? You tell us your trash in there?
I've read where people talk about if you're using the oven to make sure you open it up. Oh, I don't like that. Mine doesn't do that. To have it open because that heat from the oven can make that temper. I don't like that. Eeks. That's very bangy to the point that you're going to break that glass. So great storage. I already struggle here. I love a toy hauler for the height, the ceilings. I would never reach that.
I like how they did the white strip lights.
I was just looking at that.
Except, look at this.
Are they dimmable?
One's already coming off right here.
Uh-oh.
So.
But you do have straight view of your TV. The TV's up high like ours, so anybody working around here is not, if they even walk past, they don't really walk through your view. Yeah. And I do love, same like ours, the open dinette. The one side is open, easy to add stools, but it's a great workspace, food prep. So I do like that a lot. But of course, we're in a fifth wheel, completely uncomparable to us.
Well, no, this is good because it being a torque, I can make like a kind of overall assessment that the fit and finish is about the same as 2022 from what I can tell.
So dual entry bathroom. Bigger shower. The shower's wider. And you would really notice that, I think, standing in here. I still like that it is a shower curtain and not the heavy doors.
Hang on, here.
I like to take down a curtain and be able to wash it easy. I am not one. Hi again. I'm not one who enjoys.
5'9.5". So
okay.
There you go.
And then you have the east-west bed. Some drawers.
Oh, uh-oh.
That's super comfy.
Concrete mattress still.
I mean, come on. What do they put in these anymore? It's nothing but foam. We do have one of those popular mattresses. I do love it. We get the best night's sleep. I think we were ultra hating on our house bed. So.
Well, it was worn out.
Yep. So that's kind of, yeah, I like the little lamps. So everybody has the complaint of the window valances. So I think the industry is learning to kind of blend it better if you look at the color here. But really, you know, it kind of closes you in more. I think, does anybody not use the window valances? And I don't mean RVers, I mean manufacturers. And here they've got some
All right,
wood.
this TV is decent.
That's what I mentioned. I like that.
Yeah.
I like the across the way. But they still do valances when so many people just take them down.
Yep.
And we have some added storage back here. That's nice behind the recliners. But they've gone back to the pleather, which everybody mentions peels.
Yep. Well, this might be a new and improved. There's no telling with that. Okay.
I have
Firm.
I have sat in the electric recliners. We have the manual parachute cord. Honestly, I have to say, I like the parachute cord. In and out faster. I'm not really patient to wait for a electric opening and closing.
Oh, so one big point here to make, period, to think about is, see this standardish setup?
Yes.
The awesome thing about a toy hauler, no matter what kind it is, with a actual its own garage, is you got this bonus room to do all kinds of stuff with. You come through the doors and you just got this whole bonus room with the extra bed, with another extra bed that can be made up. And
kids room, teen room, workout
toys,
room,
electric bikes,
office,
freaking, all that fun stuff.
So many options.
Yeah. I mean,
with that extra space in the
garage.
and
the deck is awesome too. You know, just everybody loves the deck. And they all come in, it looks like, with the door kits on them now. I don't know.
Not all of them. They still have the, like we have the tent like canvas and screened. And I'm really not sure how I feel about the doors are nice, although they're not super insulated. They're also very heavy.
No, I ain't trying that.
Oh, I know how to work that. It's a lift up
Yeah.
and an out.
Oh, okay.
If you want to go investigate.
Sure. Will this thing hold me?
We're going to hope and pray it does.
Okay.
I mean,
there's
there's
kids will love
teens
this.
that are
This
your
is a
size.
treehouse,
So.
man.
Treehouse?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a
I hear
little
the
bit of a
walking band coming. We may leave Greg here.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Okay.
Kids love this. I don't know how I'm gonna get that back down out of it, but I will.
Well, we're gonna have a little background music to watch Greg come down.
Tons of sawdust up here.
To your right.
Woo! That is not made for anything over an 8-year-old, maybe.
An 8-year-old. Well, you managed pretty
There's
well.
a ton of sawdust up there too.
I think our sawdust has finally stopped shifting out.
Oh, hang on, Renee, look.
What?
The random screw.
Oh,
They all have it. Random screw.
How many screws do you find and never know where it goes? All right.
That was fun. Let's go out, check out the info plate on it real quick.
Okay.
There's the info plate. Torque 371. Let's check it out.
I think they're the cutest thing.
Yep. Hang on, 20. Here we go.
All the way down to your wood grain, everything inside.
3. Seats are vintage looking.
Little end table edges here.
Yep.
Doesn't look
I mean, it's
super comfortable, but
it's darker on the inside like older
it is
campers, but
like older crazy. That there are people though that want this back.
yeah, I want the
You know.
vibe of it all.
So this would give you a whole lot of humidity in your whole camper.
Oh, the shower.
The open shower.
Yeah.
It would. But you're like a Airstream with your
Yeah.
Toilet sink over here, your shower right here. Absolute no privacy for the shower. But yeah, I mean, it's like really cute.
I like the vibe of the darkerness in the wood and stuff.
That's what you're going for sure.
It's cute.
All right, if you like the old schoolness with some modern equipment in
So
it.
some of the outside designs, like look what this plaid like.
Yep, I like
Laura
them.
Ashley Gulfstream. So it's a Laura Ashley
I think the
theme.
word you going for is handsome looking. The word's handsome looking
Yeah?
trailers. I mean, look, even the frame is painted the color of the trailer accents.
So how much do these weigh, Greg? So
Here we go. Over here, Renee.
on this particular
Yeah.
one, because I was looking at the whole list of them. This is the 19 ERD. 19 ERD. This one in particular, dry weight is 3,090 pounds.
Oh, that's good.
It's really cutely done with the Laura Ashley theme. So you get a little bit lighter wood in this one, that more shabby chic, farmhousey, pretty. Can we? Can we address?
What?
So many manufacturers have the absolute useless soap ledge.
Mm-hmm.
The shoulder, elbow height in the waist soap ledge.
Instead of the word moving, I was gonna go the other way.
All right, guys, it is approximately 5:45. We got here about 11:30.
Mm-hmm.
Greg and Renee are done,
Yeah, we closed this place down.
but we'll probably come back still, maybe Saturday?
Yeah, we might. We'll see. Get our money's worth out the tickets. It's a lot to take in for anybody.
I think we're most focused on trying the frosted flake chicken.
Yeah, I know that. I'm on a mission now because we went by to get some. And they're like, oh, sorry, we're out.
Yep.
We'll have more tomorrow. And now we're on a mission.
I think we'll be looking to do that when we come back. And fun being nosy in all the different campers.
Oh,
So,
yeah. It's fun to see what the new technology is in the RVs. And the new little storage solutions they're always coming up with. So even if you're an experienced RVer, it's just always fun to see all those little things like that. Fit and finish, Brinkley still leads the pack.
they do.
We haven't checked out the Grand Design fifth wheels yet, but we'll probably do that on Saturday and see where that is.
So, yeah, all the little things. But here we are, saying goodnight.
Good night.